pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of
sponge drops. For this I'm using 3 ounces of self-rising flour, 3 ounces of caster superfine sugar, 2 eggs, and a filling of your choice. You can use jam or cream. I'm going to use this strawberry. First, whisk the eggs. Now whisk in the sugar. Until you have a thick cream. Using a knife, stir in the flour. Scrape down the sides. Put teaspoons of the mixture on a greased baking tray, keeping them spread wide apart. Something like that. I'm going to try it on this little tart tin too. I think it will work better in the little tart trays. Certainly looks neater. Bake for 5 minutes at gas mark 7, 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees Celsius conventional oven, 200 degrees Celsius fan convection oven. Once cooled, put your jam or cream or whatever as a filling on them and sandwich them together. And now for the taste test. This is the one I've put the filling on. Strange. Now usually on a taste test I take a bite and I put it back, but I had to eat all this because it's so nice. It's the same recipe as Swiss roll. These are great if you need cakes in a hurry. Only 3 ingredients, not counting the filling, and they're quickly made. Ideal. Those are the ones made in the tart tins. The ones that just went on the tray. They're not very good. Too crispy.
my pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of pain. I'm 1,000 miles away from home, just waiting for a train.